Hey friends, a lot of users are asking what is Windows S mode and should you use it? Now, S mode is a very safe mode in which you can only install apps from the Microsoft Store. You do not need it, I'll tell you why. So right click on the start button, select settings, go to the apps tab, and then you can select advanced app settings where to get apps from the Microsoft Store only. That is it. You do not need the S mode. If you want your computer to be very safe, just change the setting to Microsoft Store only and you're done. Okay, but if you really want to use the S mode, then that's your choice. In my opinion, it is not required. And in my opinion, the beauty of Windows is that you can install applications from anywhere. So I keep it at anywhere. But again, if you want to make sure that you are only installing apps from the Microsoft Store, you can choose that mode. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.